So the next one is, where are my NFT assets? How to use Etherscan. I'm inviting Benjamin on stage. Waiting for my mic. That one? All right. He got his mic. All right, guys. Give him a big round of applause so that he's energized to talk to you.
Hello, so thanks for coming. So today we will see how to find the asset of your NFT, because most of the time the NFT is just the right to buy and sell the product, but you don't have the asset inside the blockchain. And we will see how to track it with 3 methods. It will cover 99% of the market. You have 3 other methods. I've made a LinkedIn post on it, so you can check at the end by scan the QR code I will show you. But it will cover most of the contract. So we will see 3 big collection. So the first one will be QEii, then the Bored Ape, and Avastar. So you go on Etherscan. It's easily to find on OpenSea the contract address inside the details. And then you will have to check on the contract to see it. And to check, you see, there is a green mark. If there is the green mark, it means the contract is verified. It means you can read the contract. If the contract is not verified, 99% is a scam. Do not mint it, do not go in it. Verified doesn't mean it's good coded. It just means the code will be shown for everyone. It's not like compile and you cannot read it. And then code, it will be complicated because as myself, I'm not a developer, but I try to read Solidity, so I don't know how to code it, but I know how to read it so I don't get scammed on projects. I go on read contract, and you will have a list of queries. We will see it together and how to make it. So for the QEii, I look for the token QEii query inside read contract. Most of the time, 99%, the query will be token QEii. You add your token ID. It could be one. So as an example, I put one, but be careful. On some contract, there's no one, like the number 1 doesn't exist, so make sure it works. And then you use it, token QEii. You click on query, and you get where are the NFT assets. I don't know if you can read it well, but it's an API of the website of QEii NFTs. That means the assets, so the images of this ninja cat, is inside the website, so the server, the own server, internal server of QEii. That means, and it happened one day, like for 4 days, that if the website of QEii is down, your NFT is dead. You cannot see it. You will see error 404 on OpenSea. Okay? And most of the contracts are coded like this. So I hope with those conferences that we're doing, it will be better in the future. So not the best because it's full centralized and we are more for decentralization, those kind of things. Now we are going with the Bored Ape, so it's used the technology of IPFS and same. You look at same, so read contract inside the Etherscan. You look for token QEii. You put any token you want. You put the query, and we can see there it's IPFS. So IPFS is a decentralized server that anyone can run, but it's not blockchain. It's just peer-to-peer. So it's nice, but it's not real in the blockchain. So it's decentralized. No one can change it. They cannot change the content of the link. Compared to the website we've seen, they can change anything they want because it's their own server. But one tip I can say for the Bored Ape contract is they cannot change that this link brings to these images. Otherwise, in the contract, they can change the link. So not bad for one of the top NFTs. And now we will see I would say, maybe the last thing to put assets inside the NFT with Avastar and SVG. So this product is one of the wellest coded smart contracts. Sadly, the collection didn't work well. If you look at on OpenSea, it's going full down. So that doesn't mean that the contract is nice, that the price will go up. It's just one thing you have to check every time. And with those three methods, honestly, you covered 99% of the contract. So with Avastar and with those complicated contracts, they do not use tokenuary. Because if you use tokenuary, they will put to their website because they use multiple things to bring back your assets. So make sure, if you don't understand, just use all the queries. Like, it happens and there is some complicated contract that I don't understand well. I just use all the query and try. Don't be afraid to make it. So, no tokenuary for Avastar, but render Avastar. Same, we put a token ID and use query, and we see it's SVG code. SVG code is a kind of code to put in letters, images. You take that link and you put it in a SVG decompiler, you get your image. Simple as that. And this is inside the Ethereum blockchain. So as long as there is electricity in the world, you can still have your NFT compared to the other method. So to me, this is the best method to put NFT inside the blockchain and to have the biggest value for your user. I hope you liked this conference. I made other method, but they are really not used. You can scan my LinkedIn to get it, and you will get all the method. I'm sorry, it's mostly in French. I will do my best to put more English content, but if you just read the, I would say like the procedure, even with no French, you can get it.